Today I'm gonna show you how in 1 hour you can make a viral Soviet bag like this one. I had a few skeins of a regular household rope that I bought in a grocery store. The thread diameter is about 5 millimeters. I will also need a car key ring. The ring diameter is about 3 centimeters. Let's go! Key ring will serve as a base of the bag. Try to find a ring with a strong connection. This one, for example, won't work. And this one will work perfectly. So to begin, I cut 12 pieces of rope, each 2 meters long. Additionally, I cut 2 more 2-meter pieces for the handles. I start attaching the ropes to the ring by taking a piece of rope and putting it through the ring from below. And then I do the same with the rest of the ropes. The base is ready. I can move on to weaving. To do this, I take 2 adjacent ropes and grab one end from each. I pass the right rope over the left rope and then under both ropes, and after that I put it through the resulting loop. Now I have to pull it tight to the desired length. I'm gonna repeat the same process with the second knot. I pass the right rope over the left rope and then underneath, and then I thread it through the resulting loop. And then I just tighten the knot. Now I repeat the same process with the remaining ropes. I make sure that all the knots are tightened evenly, keeping them at roughly the same distance from the base. Once the first row is done, I move on to the second one. Here I follow the same steps. The right rope goes over the left rope, underneath and into the loop. And just like that, let's continue weaving the rest of the bag. After a short coffee break, let's move on to making the handles. To do this, I divide all the ropes into 4 groups of 6 each. I weave the same type of knots in 3 rows. I start with 2 knots, then 3 knots, and then another 2 knots. The first handle is ready. I repeat the same process with the others. After that, I take 2 parts of the handles and connect them like this. I take a pre-cut piece of rope and tie it with a simple knot. It is important to pull it tight. I pass the left rope over the handle, tug the right rope under the left rope and under the handle, and put it through the left loop. Tighten the knot and repeat the same on the other side. Pass the right rope over the handle, bring the left rope under the right rope and under the handle, and then thread it through the right loop. I pull it tight and continue along the entire handle. The handle is ready. I tie a knot at the back. This knot also needs to be tightened well. Now I'm gonna use scissors and a crochet hook. I'm cutting off these ends, leaving about 5 centimeters. Then I use the hook to secure the ends under the handle ropes and cut off any excess. Now I cut off the loose ropes on the handles. I cut them as close to the base as possible, but I try not to cut the handles themselves. I do this for all handles on all sides. And now the bag is ready!